Check it out, guys. I've just made this egg pilau rice just like the Indian restaurant. This recipe has been requested by Gary, so thank you, Gary, for your patience and waiting for me to get this recipe out to you. Guys, enjoy the recipe. Really quick, really easy recipe to make, guys. You do not have to spend £3, £4 on egg pilau rice from the restaurants. You can literally make it at home, fraction of the price. So enjoy the video, and don't forget, guys, hit that like, subscribe button if you are new, guys. Enjoy our channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the future videos. Take care. Okay, guys, to make our egg pilau rice, we're going to put a pan on heat. We have got some service onion. If you haven't got any service onion, you can use freshly chopped onion. When you do put it in the pan, just make sure you get it caramelized. So what we're going to do is add some butter ghee. If you want to use a vegetable oil, you can do as well. So I'm going to put about 1.5 teaspoon of butter ghee in there. Now if you want to, so this is how it's done at the Indian restaurant, so I'm not adding anything extra. So if you want to use garlic first, then put some onion in. If you want to use some chili powder, if you want to use some fresh green chilies, guys, carry on with those things. But this is exactly how it's done at the restaurant. So we're going to make one portion. So let's get our... So I'm going to put a good portion of... This is 1 tablespoon of onion. I'm going to leave that here so I don't get oil everywhere. So my pan's already warm, and I've just freshly made the service onion, so I can straight away put everything in. Right, pinch of salt just to flavour the onion and as well as the egg. Right, so this is how simple it is, guys. So everything's warm, sizzling away nicely. Literally, we're going to add some mixed curry powder. There we go. So this is 1/4 teaspoon of mixed curry powder. So at this point, if you do want to put some chili powder, anything like that, guys, you can carry on. Okay. Now, as I'm making a small portion of it, guys, I've not made any pre-cooked, any tomato puree, so I'm just going to add a tiny bit from, let's see this one. Yeah, there we go, just a tiny bit, just to help cook the spice and flavour the spice as well. Right. So again, tomato puree, just a tiny bit, guys. Right, let's add the egg. Just going to turn the heat slightly, give it a nice little mix. And this is how simple it is, guys. At the restaurants, this is how we make egg pilau rice. Add some coriander. See, my eggs ready. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is add a portion of pilau rice, maybe just slightly more than a portion of pilau rice in here. So that will be okay. There you go, that's all mixed in. Just a minute or so on there, getting all cooked, and then we're good. And there we go. Just a tiny bit of butter ghee towards the end. That will just melt away nicely in there while it's there. There you go, guys. Egg pilau rice, just like the restaurant's, ready in under 5 minutes. Well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe, guys. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, and don't forget to comment and let us know if there's anything else you want us to cook for you as well. Look forward to seeing you in the next video, and take care.